Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take partial screenshot on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to capture only the selected area for the screenshot, what you need to do is use your 3 fingers. You want to place and hold your fingers on the screen like so in order to enable the selective screenshot. And then you need to draw the area that you want to capture. If you want to, you can start over by pressing this button at the bottom of the screen. You can change the shape of the screenshot as well. You can, for instance, make it circle as well. And furthermore, of course, you can still adjust the size of the screenshot if needed. We can share the screenshot, we can edit it, and we can, of course, save it. And we can also close this window so that we don't actually capture the screenshot. Now, if this gesture doesn't work for you, you need to go to the settings, then go to additional settings, go to gesture shortcuts, and then over here you have partial screenshot. Make sure that this option is actually enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.